Well, we're in the cocina kitchen at the Mexican place here, and we're cooking up some Huevos Rancheros. Just put a couple eggs in there with the onions and the two kinds of peppers, and then just put the tomatoes in at the last minute so they just barely cook. And then we'll stir them all together. After we stir that all together here, we'll just put the lid on it here and let it sit for a few minutes. So after leaving the Huevos Rancheros covered for a few minutes, we'll just take them off and we'll put half onto the plate and half for tomorrow. So that was 2 eggs and the pepper and some tomatoes, cilantro, and that's 2 meals for about $1. So there's the Huevos Ranchero meal, split into 2 portions, one for breakfast and one for lunch later. Budget traveler style here in Puerto Vallarta in the shared kitchen, which is quite deluxe here for $20 a night, plus fees with Airbnb works out to $30 a night.